Why is it so difficult to stay happy and remain happy? Happiness are based on daily habits. Here's a look at some daily, monthly, and yearly habits to help kickstart your quest for happiness. Just remember that everyone's version of happiness is a little different, and so is their path to achieving it. If some of these habits create added stress or just don't fit your lifestyle, ditch them. With a little time and practice, you'll figure out what does and doesn't work for you. 1. Exercise. Exercise isn't just for your body. Regular exercise can help to reduce stress, feelings of anxiety, and symptoms of depression. It can also boost self-esteem and happiness. The trick is not to overexert yourself. Take a walk around the block every night after dinner. Sign up for a beginner's class in yoga or Tai Chi. Do some 5-minute stretches to start your day. 2. Meditation. There are many meditation methods to explore. They can include movement, focus, spirituality, or all three. Meditation must not be complicated. It can be as simple as sitting quietly for 5 minutes with your own thoughts. Deep breathing exercises can serve as a form of meditation. 3. Smile. When you're happy, you tend to smile. We smile because we're glad, and smile makes the brain release dopamine that makes us happier. That doesn't mean you've got to go around on your face with a fake smile. But the next time you feel low, crack a smile and see what is going on. Or try to start every morning by smiling in the mirror. 4. Gratitude. Thankfulness can give your mood a big boost, among other advantages. A recent 2-part study showed, for example, that practicing gratitude can have a significant effect on feelings of hope and happiness. Start every day by recognizing something for which you are grateful. You can do so while you brush your teeth or wait for the snooze alarm to leave. As you go around your day, try and keep an eye on your life for nice things. It can be great things, like knowing someone loves you or receiving a well-deserved promotion. You can become even more aware of all the positive things around you with a little practice. 5. Spend time in nature. According to a 2016 trusted source study, spending 30 minutes or more a week in green areas can help decrease blood pressure and depression. Your green space might be anything from your neighborhood park, backyard, or roof garden, wherever you can enjoy fresh air and nature. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.